What's up, guys? All right, so we're here at Eddie's. He's been working on it for like a week and getting the track ready because we're going to Laguna Seca. So, should I do the TJ Hunt reveal? Ooh, there it is. There it is. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Test drive. What up, Eddie?
Yo.
My mechanic.
Go for a little drive. See how she's doing?
No, he's not my mechanic.
I'm not Patrick.
He's just a mechanic. No, never. All right, just did a shakedown with my mechanic.
Yeah, it feels good, man. It feels really good.
Heck yeah. Little shakedown in the twisties. Where are we at again?
Sand Canyon.
Sand Canyon, yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. She's so pretty. So I picked up the trailer, about to load up the Supra, just waiting for Eddie for some race ramps, a little bit too steep. We got some wood race ramps. DIY.
Oh, yeah. The Home Depot ramps? Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Little sketch, but
Never. No sketch.
should be good.
All right, Andrew, you're up.
All right. And this is why it's a good idea to have a polyurethane front lip.
Well, you're up.
She's finally in. It was tough. We had to make race ramps for the race ramps. Man.
We gotta start driving a stock right vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh, her glory. You're not home.
She looks good. So we made it down the grapevine. Jordan's behind us somewhere. He's gonna catch up. In a few seconds, you'll see him in front of us. Aside from my soul.
next day.
Here we go, Laguna Seca. You ready, Jordan? You ready?
Yeah. Ready. Kind of nervous.
Yeah, me too.
I just don't want to screw anything up.
I know. Driver's meeting time.
We got this.
We got it. We got it. Alright, here's my second run. First run didn't go too well. I was having some clutch issues, so I did the second run all in third gear. And thanks to my instructor Brian, on this run all we did was concentrate on my lines, so just trying to get better. Here's a lap from Jordan. His Supra is a lot faster than mine. Just a little bit. Enjoy the sounds. That's a wrap, guys. We had a good time. Supra gave me a little bit of issues. Not too bad. Alright, if you guys want to see some more videos coming your way, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please. I appreciate it.